negative 6 modal half step, because the clockwise direction would still be 1 from the Phrygian, but it would be 7 minus 1, or the first modal half step. I'm going to make this yellow on both sides because this is the one that is different from on the Phrygian side compared to the Aeolian, which is the main minor or minor scale. Because if we go to the Aeolian, it's going to be like the Dorian, not like the Phrygian, right? So if I say, what if I go negative 6 back, negative 6 continents from the Aeolian, that would land beyond the crazy Locrian. That would be a 6-7 modal range counterclockwise. Negative 6 continents counterclockwise, or negative 6 modal half steps would be negative 7 scale degrees. If we had negative scale degrees, what are the distance in notes, which is equivalent to continents and ocean counterclockwise? 10 notes negative. That would be a negative 10 note away major second. Why? Because 12 minus 10 would be 2 counterclockwise direction, which is a major second. So a major second could be 2 forward or 10 backwards. So notice the Aeolian has this interval, which is the same as the major, which they labeled with an M, even though the main minor of the Aeolian has it. But the Phrygian is even more minor than the main minor in that aspect, because it has a minor if you go by the M's, the big M and the long. Anyways, I'd rather call it a negative 10 note away from the Aeolian node, negative 6 modal half step, because if I go the other way, it would still be 2 note away going forward, this time from the Aeolian node. 7 minus 6 would be the first modal half step going clockwise.